I'll show you around.
But then later, if we have time, I can show you how we can start a fire with a flint.
Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to go hiking. I'm sure you're gonna have a lot of fun while watching the video. Sit down on a little couch, take some hot chocolate with marshmallows and enjoy the video. So we're just done with readying up. We got the boots, he's got the boots. You got the boots?
Yeah.
He has the boots. We're gonna get ready to go. We're waiting for the bus and then we'll leave. The hike has already started. It's going to be approximately 7 hours long. It's a canyon. There's going to be a lot of nice things to see. Apparently, there are a lot of wild animals that we can see, but they're scared of people. So I don't know if we're going to be able to see them. Madonna! So fun. Now we're gonna eat in a bit. We're gonna have sausages, as I mentioned in the previous video. The food here isn't too good. Typical Finnish lunch from what I've seen. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If it's the case, please put a
like and a comment.
And subscribe as well if you want to see more content. Thank you again, and I'll see you guys in the next video.